Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't call na the bar. Woulda dey na the bar, diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Woulda dey na the bar.
What's up, TeamFullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I got time, okay? Let's do this. So today I'm here to show you guys some Zalando shoe haul. I have picked certain boots from Zalando. If you guys are following me on my Instagram, you have definitely seen pictures of me wearing these boots, especially one particular. I've been wearing it a lot. I really love it. So I want to come and share with you guys these boots. I've actually made this video, but I lost everything. As you guys know, I told you guys in my last video, I lost all my contacts, all my content on my phone, and everything, pictures, everything, memories that I've made with my family, with my kids, everything is just gone. So I have to actually film all of these videos. So please, I would like if you guys can give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, because it was crazy for me to kind of go back and start filming everything. So I pick up a lot of shoes from Zalando, a lot of boots. So I want to come and share with you guys some of these boots that I pick up from Zalando. My favorite so far that I've been loving is this black boots. Yeah, I have been wearing this a lot. If you guys are following me on my Instagram, you guys have seen that I've been wearing this a lot. I really loved it. This is the brand name before I come and butchered the name of the brand, but this is the name of the brand that I pick up these boots from. I picked this up from Zalando. So I picked these boots in size 41. As you guys can see, this will last you a very long time, only if you don't mess up like I have already, because I've been wearing this a lot. But you can take this to the shoemaker and they will find a way to make this one, so it's not a big deal. But I picked this up in size 41. My normal size is size 40, but because it's the boots and it's kind of crazy to put your foot in to wear it, so reasons why I picked size 41. And also for the winter time, you wear more, the socks you're going to wear in the winter are more thicker, so I don't want my foot to be like super tight, reasons why I got size 41. This is what this one look like. It looks very beautiful. I really like it. Price range, you have to check Zalando, because the price range is kind of, sometimes they have sales, sometimes they don't. When I picked this up, it wasn't on sales, so you have to check Zalando for you guys to know the price. So this is one of the boots. Okay, let's put this one. And I also got these sneakers from the same brand. I love the sneakers. They look really, I wear this one today when I was going for driving. It looks really nice. I love the fact that it's a solid rubber, and I have such a bad foot, yeah, so I need a shoe that is good quality. Like for example, when it comes to clothes, I can buy clothes from cheap clothes from Bershka, like Zara, H&M. I can buy from the Primark clothes. But when it comes to shoes, my shoe has to be good. The quality of the shoes has to be good, because I have such a bad foot that it's crazy. So I need like a really good quality shoe. So yeah, especially if the shoe is not good enough, when I'm walking, I do have pain on my feet. I don't know why I do have pain. Like the shoe is not like good building. The building inside is not good. It doesn't have like nice space, like sponge something. I really have a lot of pain. But with this one, it is super nice. I love how inside is so soft. The way they build the inside is really nice, and you have this really nice hardware. It's all black. If you guys have noticed, like when I buy shoes, for me, I love more sneakers, it has to be all black or all white. I don't like sneakers that have pink, green. Nah, I'm not really into that. So yeah, I pick up also this one from the same brand, and I really love it. It's so beautiful. It's really nice. I love the shoes. This is not the only one I pick. I also pick up another one from the same brand. Let me show you first. I want to show you guys all the shoes that I picked up from the same brand. So you guys, this is the brand, okay? So I also picked this one, yes. So I have this one in the black. I also pick up this like the beige beige, like a creamy kind of color. I haven't been wearing this a lot, honestly speaking, but the black, because the black is so easy to wear, the black is so easy for you to style and just style and go out. Reasons why I've been wearing the black a lot. But I really love this one as well. I feel like when the sun is like popping, the weather get a little bit nicer, I may be able to wear this one a lot. I really love it, and it's really beautiful. So yeah, this is also one of the shoes. This looks so cool. Whenever I wear these boots, I get so much compliments. People always be like, yo, your style is dope. Yes, my style is dope. So I really love them, and I still keep all the boxes here. When I take it off, I put it in the box. I put it underneath the bed, because I really do not have space anymore for shoes. But you know what, it is what it is, okay? And then I also got this one. Yeah, all of the shoes I got is size 41, okay? Because all of the boots, it's more bootly. I didn't get any shoes, more like bootly, no sneakers. And I also got this one in white, but this one is from a different brand, so you guys can see. Focus, camera, focus, so you guys can see. Excuse my nails. So this one is from a different brand, and I love this as well. I love the inside. It's very comfortable when you wear it. I've tested these ones, I've wear these ones, and they look really nice. If you guys want to know how I style, if you guys want to know how your girl style, my kind of style, check me out on Instagram. Follow your girl on Instagram, and you guys will see how I style my outfits. My outfit is very natural. I'm more into like the brown, the white, the black, the gray. Not really colorful outfit person. But I really love like simple, natural, put together, classy, something like that. And I really love this. So I can't wait to like style this one. This looks so beautiful. I could just picture myself in all black outfits. And this one, like when you have this black bodysuit, and just pop this one. There's this black bodysuit I ordered from AliExpress. Yeah, it's a bodysuit, and the picture I have in my head, yeah, I just prayed when this comes, it fits me exactly and it looks good, okay? Because I really have, so like when I buy something, yeah, I already pictured of the outfit or how I want to look, how I can style it before I buy. This is how my brains work. My brain work very crazily. That's the reason why if I'm doing something and it doesn't go the way I have it in my head, I get somehow crazy, frustrated. I get really angry. Not angry in the sense where I get like really annoyed, because whenever I want to do something, I already have a picture in my head of how I want it to look like, and if it doesn't look that way, it can be a little bit irritating for me, you know. So yeah, so I hope that the dress I picked up come up and look exactly the way I pictured it, okay? I pray, fingers crossed. So the last but not the least, this is another boot. So this one, this is the brand name. Yeah, this is the brand name of the boot. This is something new that I've picked up. Yeah, this is something new. This is also a boot, but this one, it's more of the long boots. Yes, this one has a zip. Yeah, because I really did not have time to be losing these laces and putting it back and lacing stuff. Your girl don't have time for that. So I'm happy that it comes with a zipper like this. You can easily put your foot in and you're ready to go. So the reason why I pick up this black boot, I wanted to pick another black one and another low black boot, but I thought, you know, I already have that black one, but I really want to have another one, but not the same brand anymore. Another one, a different design, but the same black boot. So I can actually have two low black boots that I can actually go in between, because now I only have one black one. So I decided to pick this one long one because I wanted a long one, but I thought, let me first pick the long one before I'll pick another black one. So I wanted to pick I wanted to pick another boot, so I picked this one. This one is also size 41, and this one is pretty nice. This one is so nice. You can wear this at any time, winter, summer. It all depends on how you style your outfits. This is really good. This is really good for the winter time. walking on the snow, like really good, can really grip, have a really nice like hold. So it's really, really nice. Yeah, it looks very, very beautiful. It looks super, super nice. I really, really do like it. Yes. So guys, this is it. I love these boots. They look so cool on me. You guys want me to try this one? Because I haven't really tried this one yet. Let me firstly find. I have tried it on, but I haven't really wear it because this one is something new. Like the sun is so beautiful. The sunlight is something else. I'm feeling with the daylight. So guys, no, I need to get the right foot. I've already tested on. Yeah, I've already. Your girl's not gonna buy something, and that thing comes and she ain't tested. It's not gonna happen. But I just want to show you guys how this bad boy looks on my foot. It looks so, so beautiful. It looks really, really nice. Zip it up. Yes, you guys see? This looks so cool. It looks so beautiful. It looks really, really, really nice. Love it. I don't even need to lose the thing, the lace. I don't need to lose the lace. Yo, this looks so cool. This looks so beautiful. Looks super super nice. Yeah, chew 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 chew. It looks so nice. I love it. And with this outfit that I'm wearing, yo, check me out. I should have wear this one today going out actually, but it's okay. Next time I can definitely style this outfit next time. Maybe the top with another, the trousers with another top, because I've wear this one today. And I feel like this boot looks so beautiful. It looks really, really nice. So maybe I will put a little bit of clip hair on the side to show you guys what it looks like on my feet, because I can't really show you guys like this. So yeah, this is it. I really love it. I really, really do love it. And these are all the boots that I picked up. I'm really obsessed with boots these days. I feel like boots are so easily. I do have some high heels. Yeah, I do have high heels because I still want to be that lady like, you know, that lady. I want to be a girly. I want to be girly. There's time for girly and there's time for just like style and go. So I do have some heels. If for example I want to go somewhere, I want to look sexy, I want to be pampered, and then I do wear heels. But if I'm like, you know what, I want to just feel free, just casual, just doing my thing, you doing your thing, let's have fun, then I'm rocking my boot. But when I style this boot with my outfit, they are cool. I'll try maybe, no, I don't have pictures on this phone because everything is deleted. But follow me on my Instagram. If you guys watch my community page, I post a picture of me on the black and with this boot on, and that picture is beautiful and I really love it. So TeamFullest, these are all the boots. If you guys want to see how I style them, like I said, follow me on my Instagram, because that is where it goes down in the Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you all on my next video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys. Some of you guys send me a message on Facebook and be like, oh, please don't give up. When I lost all my content, you guys were so, you guys, the ones that reach out on Instagram, I really appreciate you guys. I really. And some of you guys also leave comments and be like, you know what, it's a lesson learned. I know. Now when I make videos, I just edit them quickly and put them on YouTube and put it on private, and then I'll release them little by little. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all in my next video. TeamFullest! Peace out. Vergeet niet te abonneren en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Dag, doei!